Okay, so we're doing our cross sections worksheet. Remember when we did it? We did it in the lab, right? Okay, so a cross section, remember, it's like if we cut through a figure with a knife.
Yeah.
So if we take this cylinder and we cut through, you're knocking in my hand. You have to answer my questions. Okay? We cut through perpendicular to the base, we get a, what shape is that?
It looks like a diamond.
No, it's a
Rectangle.
rectangle. Now, if we cut through parallel to the base, we go in this direction, we're going to get a, no, circle. Circle. This is the cylinder. All right. The next one, if we cut parallel to the base, remember we're going to cut parallel to the base this way. So if I cut straight down and across, so I cut parallel to this base, we get a rectangle. Very good, Kate. Or I can cut just the corner off this way, and we get a triangle. Nice. Okay. We can also kind of cut from corner to corner this way, and we're still going to get that rectangular shape.
Yeah.
Just keep that in mind here, okay? For letter C, we can cut perpendicular to the base and through the vertex. So we can cut through this way. And this is going to turn this into a triangle. Very good, Kate. And on the next one, if we move forward a little bit, so we move forward and we cut here. All right. It's going to make a, it starts with a T. It's called the trapezoid. Very good. Now the other option is if I cut parallel to the base, I'm going to get that square shape back. All right. Yeah. And we can kind of cut at an angle. All right. At an angle, we can turn this into like a parallelogram. It's kind of hard to see in that way. But cut at an angle down this way. Still get that like trapezoidal weird shape. So the big ones to know are trapezoid, triangle, and then the same shape as the base if you cut parallel. Cone is going to do the same thing. So if I cut down perpendicular to the base through the vertex,
You get
a
triangle.
Very good. If I cut forward more, yeah, we didn't draw great. We get this little horseshoe shape, which is called a, can you say hyperbola? Hyperbola. Very good. I can also cut parallel to the base, and I can make a circle. Or I can lean it, and I can cut down at an angle, and we get our oval shape. Remember what this is called? An ellipse. All right. So some multiple choice questions. Which figure can have the same cross section as a sphere? So remember, a sphere like an orange, when I cut through, is going to make a circle.
Yeah.
Kate, which one can we make a circle with? Which one's going to make a circle if we cut through it? Circle it with your finger. It is that one. Good job. Number 2. All right. Great circle, Kate. The next one, if we cut through the altitude, Kate, if we cut right through the middle and we cut through down, what shape was this going to turn into? Very good. So that's choice 3. Yeah, it's all right. 3. William is drawing pictures of cross sections. Which one can we not make? So remember, we can make a triangle if we cut through the middle. If we cut a little bit forward, we get this oval shape. Which one's that? Circle it with your finger. Which one can't we do? That's right. We can't do number 1. Number 4. Hexagonal prism. So if we cut perpendicular to the base, we're cutting through the hexagons here. What shape are we going to get? That's right. What shape? It is a rectangle, so it's choice 2. Not the lonely number, right, Kate?
The lonely number, the lonely number.
All right. And in number 5, if we cut perpendicular to the base again, we're going to cut perpendicular to the circles. We're going to get a rectangle again. All right. On to the next page. So we have our 2 triangles. So triangle T is right here. Remember, this triangle is going to match the base, which is this guy. So these triangles are the same. So the height is essentially just that 10. Okay. or we could actually call this the base. And the height is perpendicular, so that's this guy. That would be 3.3. So the area of our triangle is just going to be 1/2 base times height. So it's 1/2. Thank you very much. 5 times 3.3. Not 5, guys. 10. So 10, the base, times 3.3, which half of 10 is 5. So we end up getting a final answer here for triangle T prime. That is an A+. Great job, Kate. It's 16.5. Now, for R is going to be this shape down here. So this is a rectangle. Ow. Okay. And so we can see that this rectangle has a length or a width that matches the 4 and 4.25. So the area is just base times height, length times width. So it's 4 times 4.125. This comes out to be 16.5 as well. So they're equal. And then we want to find the volume of prism T. So remember, it's 1/2 the volume is just the area of the base times the height. So we already know the area of the base is 16.5. And then the actual height would be right here. That's times 5. So we're going to end up getting 25, 32, 33, 5, 82.5. And that's units cubed. So this is not volume. So there's our volume. Prism R, I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay. We're doing the whole prism. So our whole height again is this. So the volume is just area of the base times the height. We know the area of the base is 82.5. And I'm going to multiply that times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2, 10 is 12, carry the 1, 40, 412.5. And once again, that's units cubed. And then we went over the homework earlier. So you guys have that going for you. So just going through it. Make sure you have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.